TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is setting new standards in industries such as chemical processing, natural gas transportation, pharmaceuticals, nuclear energy, electronics manufacturing, and food production. Let's explore its application in chemical plant pipeline systems. Chemical pipelines require welds that can endure corrosive substances and high operating temperatures. The TATE machine excels in producing corrosion-resistant and leak-proof welds, ensuring the longevity and safety of pipelines in even the most demanding chemical environments. Its automated orbital technology delivers exceptional precision, reducing errors and ensuring compliance with safety and environmental regulations. With compatibility across a wide range of materials, including duplex stainless steel and nickel alloys, this machine is indispensable for chemical processing facilities. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering tailored OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Email info@oaktate.com for more information about our innovative products.